If you're new here, I'm Medical Piper. If you want to be the Cloud Purple gang, just subscribe at the bottom and like. Okay, let's get started. Beamer! And also, this video is about cars going like more than the speed limit, or people that can drive and do anything else. Then drive! Let's get on with the video. See, taxis everywhere. I need taxis. I need Audis. I need Volkswagen. And got a lot more over there. You can't see, just zoom in. But I'll have to sing and say, Foots, yes, yeah, boy. So like now, look behind me. There's all these. A Rover, a Classic, all these. See, that's most cars I'm supposed to use, but we're gonna have a bit more cars to do. Can't really hear the voice, but very well. Just ignore me because I'm new to YouTube and I've never done like this vlog in ages. I decided to do it off Adam C. And if you don't know who he is, type him, subscribe to him. He's the best. He records every car show you might imagine. So yeah, more cars now. If you're thinking why I'm sitting on this, it's just so I can get the view. Nice view. Look, cars there. Cars coming now. Quite slow, but it sounds nice. That's all I'm bothered about. Seat Leon, yes boys. And a Sphera. If you see there's a red Mercedes. Or should I not speak and just carry on with the vlog? That's a better idea, because I don't think you want to keep listening to my voice. If you do, you just chat on this. Just put a notification if you do, or link, and you might. Some of you in different countries, you could come to UK for free with a YouTube pass. Not have a good house yet, but soon I will. I might be only 10 years old, but my mum said if I earn a lot on YouTube, I should buy me my own house next to my mum's house. So yeah, that's fine with me. So that the lamppost in the way, guys. Nah. That is not loud. That is not allowed. If you need to go that the other way, just wait patiently. Don't do like that car down there. Just be patient with each other. Can't. So like this, an old man with a kid in his car. Not that bad. He's in a Mitsubishi Eclipse. Might not be fast, but it's something to drive around in, eh? More alike. I'm going to few hours on this vlog's gonna end. Or if you want the vlog to carry on, just text me in the link. More cars. Ford. Not yet, just now. There is a Toyota electrical. Not the best, but it's something to get around in it. Another view with the more cars. Anyone? And if any YouTuber anywhere has a car, just go to Quickside. My dad will sort it out. If there's any problem with it, my dad will sort it. If you don't need sorting and you want to get something where maybe just phone me. I'll put my phone number in the link in the description, and you'll be able to just text me or phone me if you want, and just do it. Do whatever you want. It's up to you if you want to do it, not me. So this might not be long, but it's long for me because I've never done this. I've never done a vlog this long before. So I'm getting down. Did you see that? That is amazing. I had to get off because I would have got caught. But the point is, I am doing a vlog for you guys. Not just me. Not just you. Just all of us. All of us around. And again, I'm hiding. So that's going to close it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video, and just like I said, subscribe, give me a notification, and you will come to my house even if you're in a different country. You get free pass with everything. Okay, bye. Peace.